Wow! Ang ganda naman.
Box lang
Lang
yan.
daw yan, box.
Box lang yan.
Tingnan nyo na kung paano siya. Barbie naman yun, Barbie.
Ayaw parang projector.
Ayaw mo palaro? Ayaw mo yan?
Nakalasin niya. Projector yan.
Yan, tama yan? O, di yun na yun. Wait, Marcus, look, oh. One more, oh. See? Look. What's that? There, oh. There, oh. There, oh. Wait!
Oh, come on. You open that. You open.
Oh, what's inside?
What's inside? You check what's inside.
Nothing.
Oh!
What are you looking at me?
Nothing inside, baby.
Not with me. It's with daddy. It's with daddy.
Nahanap ka talaga.
Loko to.
Ang alam ko sa likod.
Daddy's back.
Where?
Where? Behind
It's with daddy. Look, oh, wow!
Yung mukha niya, tingnan mo. Who's that? Who's that?
Who's that? Yay!
Who's this?
Yay!
You want this?
Cowboy daw, cowboy. Ano ba? Happy birthday!
You want this?
Open?
Wow! Ang ganda naman yan, baby.
Oh, dalawa sa mukha mo.
Ba't parang pausing mo? Wala, hindi naka-ginger bone. Pinainom si Lulin.
Hindi naka-ginger bone candy.
Minong.
Lasing na, lasing. You can just call me Woody. Unless you want me to call him parang siya. Your baby. Sa likod eh. Wait na. Nilagyan ng diaper.
I will open it and I'll give it to you later.
Grabe naman ni Daddy. Parang si Daddy may toy.
Ay, dito yung laro na gusto ko.
Baka kailangan ng scissor dyan, Tijel. Baka kailangan ng gunting dyan.
Yung